Okay, so today, guys, we're going to be playing the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. And with my mic on. So, I'm going to play as a victim. Hello? Hello? Guys, there's no one talking. I just put my mic away, but there's no one talking. Okay, guys, I'm not going to make you wait, so let's just... Okay, ready? About to start. Let's go. I'm gonna escape. Let me get out. Oh. Let's go, guys. I'm going by my own. Quicker. We've got 11 faces, man. Oh, yeah. Wait, here, one of the humans. Unlock tool right here. I'm gonna get an unlock tool as well. I'm gonna make noise, I don't care. I don't care if I make noise. Because Leatherface is not gonna get us. It's definitely not gonna get us. That yellow on my screen means that someone's close. Yellow and kind of red when it gets even closer. Okay, Grandpa, I need to stay still so Grandpa doesn't find me. Oh, let's go, we can move now. My friend invited me to a party. I need to find an exit. Is that an exit? I think that is. Exit to get out of the basement. Let's go, guys. I'm going down here. I think there's an exit over here. I'm not sure. Yeah, there's an exit. Oh no, Julie's already trying to unlock it. Oh, she already opened it because she lock-kicked it. Sorry, Leland. We just want to get out of here and they can't get us. Okay, keep still. Oh, crap! Oh, I almost died, man. Look at my health on the bottom right of the screen. It's so close to me being dead. Oh, exit, man. Got a pick lock. Focus. I use my ability so I can lock pick straight away. Because I ain't wasting no time. Okay, I died. I died. Let's retry and play again. I gotta escape, man. I can escape. Now I have a chance. Hey, Leland. Hey, Leland. Okay, I use my mic for that part. Guys, we got to escape. There was a killer right there. I think that might have been Hitchhiker. Right, that means it's close. That signal's bad. It means that he's close. I'm not gonna move so Grandpa doesn't detect me. I just saw a killer and I escaped him, I think. Okay, we need to go down here, guys, to escape. Take a bit of damage. That's alright. It's too quiet. It can never be too quiet. There's a killer on the loose and he's close. Yeah. Yes, Sonny. Sonny, you saved my life. He's close. I think it's Leatherface because he's the only one that starts off in the basement. It's Leatherface. It's Leatherface, I think. Oh crap, I made another noise. Frick. My heart's beating really fast in the game. Let me pick this lock because I can't just stay in that little area. Because that little area outside is like trash. I need to get to like the better bits. And the bits where the exits are. Wait, where's the killer? Where's the killer? Where is he? You can barely see me. I can barely see myself. So. Oh no, Grandpa's gonna get too much level. They keep on feeding him blood. He's gonna get too much level. He's gonna get way too much power. No, if he gets to level 5, which is maximum, he can see you even if you're staying close. Even if you're staying still. It's very annoying. Oh crap! Crap, I need to get down there. Oh crap. I think I'm gonna recover because I'm gonna take too much damage. No? Okay. But oh crap. This is where I am for a bit. And there's a killer right there. Sunny's the only one alive, and I think he's not in the basement. Killer, and she's like, when she kills someone, she's like, oh, you poor thing.
Come here, bud.
I'm actually almost dead, so I'll get hit once. Unless I get... I'm dead. I hope you liked the video, guys.